beautiful Naisna Elephant Park. Having a great time. The guys are off on another safari with the elephants. Here's Normand. Beautiful. Going in the hallway. This is our room that we were in. Beautiful room. Outstanding shower and everything. Pictures. You got your food, everything's stocked up good. Place for the computer. And this is our lounge. So at night we sit here with our team, and then other people come in and we all sit here. And then the elephants come down here. They come right in there. And the bad guys are at the back in the cages. They're the Frisky Wayne tribe. And the rest are just here. And it's great. Everybody have pizza here at night. It's a wonderful time. Normand wants this mask to go home. Great staff here. Great people.
So are they gonna know we're here down in Canada? So is it their voice we hear?